Okay, so this is another great thing about San Diego is you can just show up in an event like this and park and be like right in front. Like, this is the organization that sets it up, and that's me. I just got here like a half hour early, maybe an hour, I don't know. I think it starts at 5. I got here at like 4, and I just parked right in front. So if you want to come to these things, it's a pretty straight up deal. I'll go ahead and walk this so that you all can see this. And then I'm gonna drop a video on this 52 cab over created by Doug over here. It's right across the street there. Let's see if we zoom in on it. Oh shit, sorry about the crazy zooming with that thing. I just made I interviewed him about how he made it and what. Look at the beautiful paint on this car. I don't know if you can see, but this looks like lacquer or something. It's just so deep. It's like a mirror finish, and it's just gorgeous. I'm gonna figure out who painted that thing. And let's see if we got. Let's see if we can get across here. And by the way, this is I think it's Wednesday or Thursday. It's not even this is a weekday event. Oh, look at this AMC. I didn't even see that. Wow, that's badass. These things make great little drag cars because they're super light. See, he's like tubed to the rear end. Wish he had his hood open. Like to see what's in it. Probably a small block, most of them are, but I've seen people stuff blown big blocks in them too. That is a Fairlane GT. Looks like a 64. This is a 71, I want to say. And that is a small block? Yeah, maybe I think it's a small block. And look at this flathead. This is a flathead V8, old school. And look at this Mustang. I don't even know if that's factory, but GT 350. And then this is I don't know what year this is, 50 something. Got a tunnel ram on it. Nice headers. Look at that. Those are probably custom. Oh, he's got it tubbed out too, maybe. Oh no. Anyways, look at this guy. And then you guys saw this. There's a link. There's a big long video on this one on the ride. And we got the low ride up. That's a sweet ride. Look at that thing. Badass. Badass. And we'll go back over there. Okay, look at this 327 Nova. This is a 72, I want to say. I'm not sure. I don't see the owner around here. That's a 63 custom cab Dodge. Oh God, I don't even know. It's not a Chevy. Yeah, got me on that one. It's really clean 32 coupe. And then let's go back here. Check out the rides. Look at the Trans Am. Oh yeah, my buddy Jim would love this thing. 5.0 liter. I think that's the small engine in these. Oh, look at this Roadrunner. Badass 440. Beautiful paint. It's like a light or metallic in that paint. I don't know what year that is. I think it's a 71. But it's a Chevy, early 50s, 3100, another 50 Chevy, another early 50s, way early, and a 427 Corvette. That is a 64, right? 64?
67.
67? I thought they dropped the rear window in the 67.
That heat gun.
Same year as my
Right
Chevelle.
where the standing unit is?
Yeah. Yeah, I have an SS 396 with a Muncie 4-speed.
Your gauge could be wrong.
Yeah, I love the 66 and 67, that and the Nova, which I want if I can ever find one.
That has a Muncie 4-speed.
Does it? M21 or M22? Does it make a bunch of noise?
No, it's
So it's an M21 then.
not straight cut crank.
Yeah, that's the M22 Rock Crusher.
LEH.
Or M21's the Rock Crusher. I can't remember, but
Gives you a
yeah.
clue where the hottest
No,
part
you
of
got
the
me when
engine
it comes
is.
to all that fancy shit.
then you gotta
I've got the
figure
build
out
sheet,
where to
but I
go.
never memorized.
Well, it was fancy in 1967, but
know,
what
man.
year is this guy?
38.
38, okay.
It's a fine 38.
Fine 38. It is fine. It looks like a labor of love. Thanks, guys. Yep. Very cool.
Oh, wait.
Look at the motor.
Yeah, ain't that nice?
Oh yeah, gotta love the motor. We'll check out the Mustangs. This is the last of it. Over here.
After I got rid of
Oh, it looks like it's got a V8 in it. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know. Huh. Mustangs of San Diego. This truck is super clean. Wow. It's the type of thing you can't really tell until you see it in person. How clean some of these are. Like this one is beautiful. It's got like ghost pearlescent paint with ghost flames, and wow, that's a work of art. Seems like there's no detail spared here. Look at that. Everything is perfect. Like everything. Drivetrain. I think that's everything for now, guys, so I'm gonna cut her off. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll keep doing this as long as people give the channel love. Talk to you later.